right, that was just my silicone mold cupcake liners, and I covered them with dark chocolate. Now we're gonna pop this in the fridge for about 20 minutes. While those are in the fridge, I'm gonna grab a large bowl and I'm gonna grab my chocolate mousse, instant mousse mix. This stuff is super delicious. You can just get it at your local grocery store. I'm gonna use this whole box. Smells so good. And this one is super easy to make. All you need to add is 1 cup of cold milk. We're just gonna measure that out. Come on, stop. Stop. All right. Once we have that in there, we're gonna grab our whisk and we are gonna put our biceps to work. We're gonna whisk this until it is a delicious chocolate mousse. All right, and look how fluffy that looks. All right, we're gonna pop this in the fridge alongside our chocolate cups. All right, we took these out of the fridge. And because we have it on the wax paper, it should just come right off. And then now we're just gonna loosen our silicone cupcake, just like so. Kind of do it from side to side. Make sure we don't break our little cupcake mold. All right, let's unmold the rest of them. Now that we got those all out, I'm gonna bring in our cooled chocolate mousse, and I have an ice cream scoop here. Ooh, look how thick and creamy that looks. And we're gonna add a scoop of our chocolate mousse into each of our chocolate cups. Such an easy and delicious no-bake dessert, and what we top these with is really gonna blow your mind and impress your guests. So we're just gonna evenly distribute our chocolate mousse into our 6 chocolate cups. Now this is really what's gonna make them shine. I have some Ready Whip, and we are just going to do a generous amount of Ready Whip right on top. And what goes well with chocolate? Strawberries. I'm gonna add a slice of strawberry right onto our Ready Whip. This is really what's gonna make these look beautiful. Next to our strawberries, I'm gonna add 2 blueberries. And I'm just using my favorite fruits that I think go well with chocolate. But you can customize this to your liking, and you can also do a homemade whipped cream or a Cool Whip, but I just feel like Ready Whip just comes out so beautifully, and it just made sense for this easy dessert. I have a kiwi here that I cut up, and that's gonna go right in the center. Finishing touch, a mandarin orange. And I'm gonna put that right behind the kiwi. You won't be able to see it, from the front, but this is a 360 dessert. There it is. Our super cute no-bake chocolate mousse desserts are ready to enjoy. All right, I'm gonna just grab one, and it is time to dig in. I'm gonna go for the strawberry because that's my favorite. Look at that perfect bite.